If you drive a Toyota and you're in an accident, it's important that you bring your car to a Toyota Certified Collision Center. It's important for everyone to understand not all collision shops are created equal. The public should be aware that only 10% of repair shops out there achieve any certification at all. Toyota's stringent certification program is widely recognized as having the highest standards in the industry. Some of the training required by Toyota certification program is very stringent. They come in and they expect us to do training and classes on the latest technology and all of the latest vehicles that are out there. Part of being in the Toyota Certified Collision Center is parts and proper installation of those parts. If the Toyota recommended procedure on a factory part, that's the part we're going to put in, whether the insurance company is going to pay for that part or not. In the Toyota Certified Collision Center, when you're repairing a Toyota car and it's a safety-related item, oftentimes there may be aftermarket parts that are written to the insurance estimate. At Toyota Dartmouth, we'll price match most of those parts when we can. Today's vehicles use advanced materials and safety features, like crumple zones, airbags, safety sensors, electronics, computers. Don't even get me going on the complexity of vehicles like the Toyota Prius hybrid. Repairing these vehicles properly after a collision make that mandates up-to-date training. As a Toyota certified shop, we require each of our technicians involved with collision repair to take ongoing training every year. This includes classrooms on new vehicle technologies and the latest factory recommended repair procedures. For instance, to remove and repair a rear bumper on a 2018 Camry is a 17-page procedure that a factory-trained technician will use to do the repair correctly. Inside that bumper may be cameras, blind spot monitors, sensors. So it's important that that procedure be done by the recommended factory procedure. Once we were able to achieve the Toyota certifications, when we brought on the Nissan, Infiniti, and Kia, and several other certifications, it was easy. We already made the investment in that equipment, in that training. We just recently got Honda certified, and it required us to take Honda specialized classes, which are different than the Toyota classes. Different vehicles, different technology, different sensors. Same thing with Nissan, Infiniti, Hyundai, and Kia. We put a lot of work into getting these certifications, and having Toyota being the first one kind of blazed the path to make the other ones much more simple. Oftentimes with these vehicles, there's all types of new advanced materials in their construction. Whether it's frame measuring equipment, welders specific for aluminum or high-strength steels, or any other specialized tools, we have it all here. Let me tell you a little bit about our refinish process. Once your body work is done, it's ready for paint. We bring it into the other side, prep it all off, it goes into the booth. Now we have 3 size booths, which are all downdraft, state-of-the-art booths. It circulates the air around and around, but nothing goes through the stack to the top. That's just for the fresh air to come in. A lot of people don't understand that waterborne paint doesn't have a lot of smell. You come into our shop, there's a smell. Very environmental friendly, it's easy to put on, and it gives you the factory finish that you expect when you take delivery of your vehicle. Being in an accident is stressful, even if nobody gets hurt. At Toyota Dartmouth, we see this every day. We know how to get through it. We work with all the insurance companies. We're experts at navigating the insurance claim process. We also will keep you informed through text, email, phone calls. Any which way you want to be contacted, we'll keep you up to date with repair status. You know, a vehicle's a big investment. People are concerned about it, and they just want to know, when are they going to get it back, and is it going to be good, and is it going to be safe? We'll get you back as soon as we can, as fast as we can. Matter of fact, if you look at some of the industry metrics from the insurance company who measure these type of indicators, we're consistently 2 days faster than the average shop in our peer group. We are the only Toyota certified shop from Cape Cod all the way down to the Massachusetts border. Toyota Dartmouth is proud to be one of those select few.